What's up guys, Dan here from Kilowatt Auto. So I was not expecting to have to go into work today, so today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I was planning. It's going to be more of a vlog style video. So what I thought I'd do today is take you for a ride along on my daily commute and really take a look at my energy expenditure over that drive. Also take a look at my charging from last night, as well as the charging I'm going to have to do tonight to recoup any losses from today. And also just look at the daily energy expenditures in terms of how many miles I actually drive. If you're new to the channel, I do try to post a new video every week, so make sure you get subscribed if you're interested in learning more about Tesla or seeing the car's progression to full self-driving. As always, I also put a link to my referral code in the description down below, so if you decide you'd like to order a Tesla, use that referral code and that'll get you 1,000 free supercharging miles. And also, if you're new to the channel, down below I have my channel trailer so you can get a better idea of what this channel's all about. So this is a dual motor Tesla Model 3, and starting off I have my charge point set to about 250 miles, so you can see we've reached that full charge point. My commute to work is going to be about 6 miles. So just to take a look at the metrics down here on the bottom left, so far we've consumed no energy, and then we'll take a look at this again once I get to my destination. So I just parked at work, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the metrics now, just so you guys can have a better idea of how the actual miles driven line up with battery consumption. A couple things of note for this morning's commute in. Temperatures were a little bit cooler, so right now we're at 53 degrees, and I also did run the heat on my way into work today. So total drive distance was 6.6 miles with a duration of about 23 minutes. And then in terms of battery consumption, we started out at 252 miles. My battery is now reading at 244 miles. So we used a total of about 8 battery miles of range. So again, this is just something to be mindful of, especially as the temperatures start to get cooler and you start to use your heating system, whether it be in your Tesla or other electric vehicle. The energy expenditures are going to increase, and your rated battery miles are going to exceed the miles that you actually drive. So I'll check back in later after work, but currently it's about 8:45 in the morning. My current state of charge is 244 miles, and I am going to run Sentry mode while I have the car parked here in the parking lot. So when I check back in later, we'll get to take a look and see what type of phantom drain we deal with throughout the day. So I'm done now with work for the day. It is about 6:07 p.m. Rated range of the battery looks like it's 241 miles. Sentry mode was fairly active. It looks like there's 3 events that were reported. So burned about 3 miles of rated battery range. And we'll go ahead and take our commute home now. I'll try to be as efficient as possible, and we'll take a look and see if we can be a little bit more efficient than the drive out here this morning. Alright, so I'm back home now. So total distance driven for the day was 13.3 miles. We started out at 251 miles of rated range, and we're now at 233 miles of range in the battery. Weather was pretty mild today. Temperature right now is 61. It probably didn't get anywhere above 65. That's the high for today. So as the weather definitely starts to get cooler, we are going to see our efficiency go down a little bit. My average efficiency though for the entire day was 246 watt hours per mile. One thing to definitely keep in mind as we move into the colder months is that your efficiency is going to decrease, so your watt hour per mile rating is going to increase, which will translate into you using more rated miles in the battery versus what you're actually driving. So for example, for today, we went from 251 down to 233, but we only drove a actual 13.3 miles. But that's going to be it for today's video. I know it was a little bit different than my normal format, but again, I wasn't expecting to work today, so hopefully you found some use out of it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and also get subscribed so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. If you haven't done so already, be sure to check out the channel trailer, which is in the description down below. But with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.